video, I'm going to show you step by step how to take a video using your smartphone. Hi, so in this video, let's see how we can learn how to take a video. Now, just look for the camera icon on your phone and click on it. Then look at the tabs that's available on that app itself and click on video, or you can swipe it as well. For example, like this. And so you can see the button, just click on it. And you can move your camera from left to right, up to down to take the video. When you want to stop the video, and you can move your To take a picture using your phone, find the camera icon. Once you find it, click on it. It will open up the camera. Position your phone to what picture you want to take and then click in the middle of the camera app. And that's how you take a photo. And that's it. That's how you can take a video step by step using your smartphone. Hope you enjoyed it.